Did you know this incredible medical secret?
The patient's symptoms and ECG findings are consistent with symptomatic sinus bradycardia. That's a patient that has a heart rate less than 60 beats per minute, with regular rhythm and a constant PR interval. The normal resting heart rate is usually 60 to 100 beats per minute. Sinus bradycardia can occur normally in adolescents and younger adults, in well-conditioned athletes, and in some elderly patients, especially during sleep. Pathologic causes include sick sinus syndrome, myocardial ischemia or myocardial infarction, obstructive sleep apnea, hypothyroidism, increased intracranial pressure, and some medications. Most patients with sinus bradycardia are asymptomatic, but some develop fatigue, dizziness, lightheadedness, hypotension, syncope, angina, and/or congestive heart failure. The first step in symptomatic patients is to identify and treat reversible causes, followed by administration of intravenous atropine for initial treatment of the bradycardia and hypotension. In patients with an inadequate response, further treatment options include IV epinephrine or dopamine or transcutaneous pacing. This is a case of sinus bradycardia.